Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to answer this one. Question 8. We need to draw the domain of double integral. So this is about dy, so y should be between about x squared and positive infinity. About dx, that means s is greater than or equals to number 0, and we see that s is about in the positive infinity. Now we need to graph about this one, that is about y equals to s squared. So that should be like this. The next one, that should be y is bigger than or equals to s squared, so that should be about this area in here. And s is greater than or equals to number 0, so that should be about positive. So the region we need to focus, that is this one. Because they still go to infinity, so I will use about like this. So this is about the question A. Now let's go to this one. We need to find the double integral. We can see that the integration of this dy, we don't have the value in here because we don't have the formula to calculate this one. So we need to use about reverse the orders in here. That means we have s squared is smaller than or equals to y. Now we put the square root for the both sides, and we have like this. So s equals to the square root of y, that is about this one in here, and this one, that is about this one. However, s is greater than or equals to number 0, so we can say that based on the domain, let's just select about the positive only. So in this one, we just focus this one like this, and we know that s is greater than or equals to number 0 because we have this one in here. About y, based on the graph, we can see that y they start at number 0 and they go to infinity. And now the new orders of double integrals in here, they should be about dx dy. About dx, we can see that that is about this one. That is about this one. About dy, that is from 0 to infinity. And now we need to calculate this one. So the integration of s squared, that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from 0 to the square root of y. So I will put this one go in here, number 0 go in here. So that is about y with the square root of y over number 3. So we have like this. So the square root of y with the square root of y, we have y. Y with y, we have y to the power of number 2. Next, we can use about interpolation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative y to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have like this. So because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. Now we need to change the bounds. So when y equals to number 0, we put number 0 go in here. So u equals to number 0. So when y go to negative infinity, they go to positive infinity. So this is about this one. So if I put this one go in here, negative with the positive infinity, so u will go to negative infinity. So number 0 we keep the same. This one we have negative infinity. So we put negative y to the power of 3 for u. That is u in here. Y square dy, that is about this one. So negative number 3 with positive number 3, we have negative 1 over 9. So the interpretation of this one, we have like this. So e to the power of negative infinity, you got number 0 in here, because when you have the negative number in here, they will be like this. For example, if you go to negative infinity, they will transform into like this, and this number go up, and this one they approach to number 0. So we just have only positive 1 over 9 e to the power of number 0, and we have 1 over 9, and that is about for the bottom. This is the end. Thank you for watching.